I was shocked. I thought like my neck would give me some problems. I went
Yeah.
up there, 2 weeks, no problems. I came back on Saturday.
Okay.
Monday I woke up, I'm like, yeah, it's time.
Yeah. You can feel when it's time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so the top two bones in your neck are shifted to the right.
Okay.
Feel that there. So we're going to start here. Breathe in and out. Hang in there. And down here. Breathe in and out. Relax those shoulders. I got you. There we go. Good. I'm going to move down a little bit lower over here. And breathe in and out. I got you. Look down just a little bit. Look in the corner. That's the one. Very good.
Wow.
Very good. All right.
Okay.